In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Binance account. Whether you're new to Binance or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can access your account quickly and securely. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your web browser and type in Binance.com in the address bar. This will bring you to the homepage of one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges. Here, you'll find different options and lots of information, but for now, our focus is on logging into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a button that says Log In. Go ahead and click on that button. This will take you to the login screen where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. On the login screen, you'll need to enter either the email address or the phone number associated with your Binance account. It's important to ensure that the information you enter is accurate to avoid any login issues. Right below that, you'll see a field for your password. Carefully type in your password, being mindful of any case sensitivity or special characters. Now that you've entered your details, there's a Log In button right below these fields. Click on it to proceed. But before you gain access, Binance might prompt you to complete a security step, especially if you've set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA for short. This is an essential measure for keeping your account secure. If you've enabled 2FA, you'll need to open your Google Authenticator app or check for an SMS message to retrieve a temporary authentication code. Occasionally, you might have enabled another method like a passkey. Enter the authentication code into the provided field on Binance and submit it. Successfully completing this step will ensure you're all logged in. Once inside, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, where you can now access your wallet and trading features. From managing your cryptocurrency portfolio to making trades, you're all set to explore what Binance has to offer. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into your Binance account. Remember, keeping your login information and 2FA method secure is crucial to protecting your digital assets. Regularly updating your password and keeping your two-factor authentication enabled are great practices. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helped you log into your Binance account with ease. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials. Stay secure and happy trading.